Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to make PayPal money only by drawing boxes, which is a very simple task. And also this website is going to pay you weekly via PayPal. And another thing is you're going to earn 5 bonus per new sign up, which is this website allow you to recommend their website to your friends who are also interested to make PayPal money online. And when they get signed up through your link, you're going to get 5 bonus for free, right? So another cool way is if you stick with me until the end of this video, I also going to give you for free one cool bonus, which is the script that you are going to post on your Facebook, on your social media, either Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or any platform throughout the internet, and then in order to get more $5 sign up, right? So stick with me until the end as I'm going to drop you this very cool bonus over here. So guys, if you just came across to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaidi Mustafa. In my channel, I'm going to talk and share with you a lot of tactics and strategy on how to make money online. You can head over one of this video. There's a lot of video, very cool way on how to make money, and the most important thing, the vast majority of this video is newbie friendly, so you don't have to have any prior experience or skill to start making PayPal money online. Okay, so consider subscribe if you want more video like this, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well so that I can send you out my notification whenever I come out with my new video. And also don't forget to give me thumbs up guys, click the like button because it does help my video to get more exposure and does help my channel to grow as well, right? So let's dive right into our content. So the website that are going to help you to make PayPal money is called Remotetasks.com. Okay, just head over to Remotetasks.com and you're going to land over to this page. So make money doing tasks, start earning from home today. Okay, so how it's work, take image, transcribe video. There are several different options, several different simple tasks that you can do it in order to make money. So it's require you to go through a few simple steps, which is obviously you have to sign up like I did. I just link up my Facebook account and to get signed up, and then you have to take exams. We have tons of exams for you to take, and then you're going to start work and get paid via PayPal. So taking exam is required in order to start work with them. So this is easy to do task. Each exam unlock tasks for you to do. Example of tasks you can do are drawing boxes around car, moderating content, identifying spam, and categorizing t-shirt. Okay, so who provides the task? We work with multiple companies from small startup to public companies. Some example include self-driving cars companies and t-shirt startup. They have trusted us and you with completing this task. So obviously Remotetasks is actually providing the data that you're going to do it here to all this company because it's helped the company to grow. Okay, so this is the task. Image annotation, draw boundary boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. So I'm going to walk you through how you're going to take all the tasks here. So categorization and comparison and audio transcription. So audio transcription is you are actually going to hear audio. You're going to provide you an audio, and then you're going to write whatever you hear from that audio. It's kind of like you're going to convert from audio into a written form, right? I also have a lot of video regarding this audio. You can check out at my Make Money playlist. There's a lot of other method on how to make money with audio transcription as well. Okay, so meet our tasker. This is all the people that has been working with this company. Vast majority of them are really happy. They are satisfied to work with this company. So this is FAQ. Okay, I'm not go through every one of the FAQ here, but I'm going to focus on the most important thing, which is okay, how do we earn? This is why we actually landed to Remotetasks.com. So you are paid per accepted task. The amount paid will vary depending on task complexity. So they are not stated exactly how much you're going to earn, but according To my observation, you're going to earn from 200 all the way up to 300 per week. Okay, for me, even 100, that is actually a pretty decent amount of money for only drawing boxes on the image. Okay, we will pay you via PayPal on Friday, which is every week, so please be sure to have a valid PayPal email in your account before Monday 12. Right, so if you haven't get signed up already with PayPal, I really highly recommend you to do that. It's pretty straightforward. Just head over to paypal.com and link up your credit card or your debit card to get your account signed up. So how do we as worker help your company by doing these tasks? Like I told you before, they are actually taking all your data that you are going to go through with the task and going to provide all the data to all these big AI company. Our vision to accelerate the development of AI application, and we do this by providing high quality training data to AI companies over here. Okay, so that's all. You can go through every single FAQ here. I'm not going to wasting your time here. Okay, so this is the university. So I got signed up already, and this is my dashboard, and this is my university dashboard. So there's a lot of courses you can take. So I highly recommend you to go through all the courses, because this is actually kind of like training before you sit for the exam. For the exam, you have to go through all the courses first to get you familiar with all the training. Okay, so let's take a look at this instruction box eating group. So this is the introduction of arch box eating group scenario. All right, so you can go through first all the instruction. You can get familiar with it before you start the training, so at least you can have some idea what is actually you are required to do. Okay, so you have to, this is the example, you only have to do the boxes to determine what type of the images that they ask you to do. Okay, I'm going to click start. Okay, so this is only for example, like I'm going to draw a box over here and going to determine what is this thing is about. So I'm going to click plate, and then I'm going to click submit, and taken accuracy 15. Okay, so maybe I have to fix answer. I think I have to draw all of them. Okay, I'm going to draw this one as well. This is also the plate, and I'm going to draw the box over here to dictate this is a bowl, and also, oh sorry, I'm going to draw the boxes over here as well to tell them this is a bowl. Okay, so just click submit, and my accuracy is 81.25. okay, so that is the example. So it's pretty straightforward and very simple, but of course, like I told you, you have to go through the course before you sit for the exam, and only by passing the exam you can start to earning money with this company. So like I told you early in this video, I'm going to provide you a bonus, which is a script that going to allow you to post on your social media in order to get free $5 bonus from Remotetasks.com. right? So before that, this is actually how you're going to do it. Earn a five bonus for you and your friends when they join Remotetasks. What you have to do, literally, you have to copy all this your link. This is actually your referral link, and then you're going to paste throughout Facebook, Twitter, email, or any other social media platform that you are really active with. Okay, so but you don't want to post for the sake of post this link, because I'm going to provide you the script, which is my bonus, and you're going to insert this link into this into that script, and then you're going to copy all the script including your referral link, and then share throughout your Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. Okay, I'm going to provide a link down below in my my description box down below on this video, or I just going to paste the entire script on the description. So do check out my description box below in order to get that script. Okay, so guys, I think that's all for this video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and don't forget also to hit the bell notification as well, and give me thumbs up, because like I told you, it does help my video to get more exposure, and also it does help my YouTube channel to grow. Okay, so see you on my next video. Bye bye.